teach you guys and walk you through the steps on how to make word sorts. So word sorts are, or I guess I should start by saying that I am an elementary education major, and word sorts are basically a way to have little quick pre-made assessments for your students to test out just different things. In this case, this is focusing on different kind of words, word family, and vowels, as well as consonants. So you would start off by my first step that I found was super necessary, especially because as a teacher, you're supposed to be organized with everything you have. So you find a box that is corresponding with the amount of things or the amount of I guess practices or exercises that you want to have in here, as well as having different organizers. So for these little pouches are envelopes cut, and they're just little pouches like this, and then the labels are just different kind of post-its. And then after that, you would then go on any educational website, and they have pre-made sheets that you can just cut out like these. These are just extra ones that I have for different vowel practices and things like that I want to work on. And you would print them out, obviously. Then some of them are just words, some of them have pictures, so you would want to color in pictures, just because there's some things that are, I don't know if you guys can see, this is a hat, but you color them in just to be a little bit more legible and easier to decipher, because these are supposed to be quick exercises. After you color them, obviously you cut them out, and as you cut them, you're supposed to remain super organized, because they're all depending, or you organize them depending on how you want to test your students. So in this case, I focus on, like I said, word families, diagramming, digraphs, beginning consonants, blends, CVC words, and long versus short vowels. So it's just things that in your specific classroom that you notice your students have problems with, you would just make a little pouch for it. And after you cut them, obviously, like I said, you organize them and then put them in your box, and they're ready to go. Like I said, I made this as one of my assignments for one of my classes, and I have used it in my classroom, and they are super helpful because they're pre-made, like I said. And if you notice a kid is struggling and you need something really quick, you just pull out, you say, oh, the kid needs help with long and short vowels. You just pull something from there and you have it ready to go. So yeah, that is my how to make a word sort.